Hi there. Thank you so much for listing your property with Florida Rental by Owners. In this video, you'll learn how to navigate to the reviews and even add reviews into your listing. To start, log into your host dashboard. Then, click on the Listing tab. From there, you're going to pop into the property that you want to add the review for. Click on Details, and in there, you'll be able to access all the details within that property itself. Down here on the left, at the bottom of the menu, is the Reviews tab. Click on it. Okay, so here you can import reviews. You can add them manually by clicking on Add New Review. Or the automated import feature will import up to 10 of the latest reviews from VRBO when you click Save and Import. To do that, add your URL link. This is the type of URL link you want to add. Make sure there's no check-in or check-out date, and you're just going to press the Save and Import button. It'll take a minute. And then it's added in and migrated the last 10 reviews. And then from there, you can go in and edit them. If you want to answer any you haven't yet, you can. Or in my case, I've answered this person already. So to add a review manually, if you don't want to use the import function, you can just press the Add New Review button. And here you'll get a pop-up, and you can add it into the drop-down menu how many star ratings you got. 1 is for lowest, 5 is highest, and then you can put the reviewer's name in. You can put in the location. You can put in the check-in date and the review title, which is typically the fields that are associated with a review. And then you can copy and paste the review in here. And then you can also reply in the subscriber reply section, which is you. You can respond to that traveler review and just press Save Review. So you can ask your new guest for this information through email. You can ask them for it through social. And then you can paste them in here manually yourself. And then they'll appear on the front of your listing towards the bottom. And that's it. It's that simple. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out to us at info@floridarentalbyowners.com. Thanks for watching.